Hi friends, Aurav here.
Hi friends, Ava here.
Today we're going to be making a cotton ball launcher.
And I'm really excited to do this experiment.
And for this experiment, you need two rolls of like this.
And rubber band.
You also need a scissors. And 4 popsicle sticks. If you're visiting our channel for the first time, smash that red subscribe button and turn it gray.
And also, click the bell icon
so you get new notifications when we upload new videos. So, to get started, now we're going to cut this straight like this. I cut it straight, it doesn't matter where I cut it.
I'm gonna cut it right here.
Because it's clever. And you can see
right here.
we cut it a straight line down the middle, as you can see.
Doesn't matter.
And now we need to fold it up like this. Okay, now once it's all folded up,
fold it up like.
You don't need to unfold it. Oh, I mean, yeah, I guess you did. Do you? I don't know if it could fold that much. So now as you can see, we made 2 holes, and we're just gonna put the colored pencil through it, and yeah. So now we're gonna make 4 cuts like this, 1 over each. So now as you can see, we made 2 holes on this side and 2 holes on that side, and we are gonna put a rubber band through.
You make some little cuts right here and here. Now we're gonna put the rubber band just like that.
Now as you can see, we stuck the tape onto 2 rubber bands, and now it's time for the final step. We're gonna use the rolled up roll which we had earlier with the pencil, and we're gonna put it like this, and attach the rubber band rolls to the pencil
to look like this.
And we're all done.
Seattle light.
And now, do you know the reason behind why it goes out when we stretch it like this? The reason behind it is because when you stretch a rubber band, elastic potential energy, and it's energy being stored up in the rubber band. And when you let it go, it converts to kinetic energy, which is the energy that all moving things have, and then it pushes the cotton ball out. So there are two types of energy, elastic and kinetic. But elastic potential energy is different from gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy is the energy that makes rockets go up. When the objects lift from the ground. When we launch it, it converts the potential energy into kinetic energy.
If you want, you can use plain popsicle sticks, but we just painted a few popsicle sticks so that we have.
Now we're going to use the hot glue, stick two of them together.